My tip would be like know what you're really looking for, and make a list of like read through your syllabus. That really helps if you read through your syllabus or your module guide. After you read through that, just know like what you're revising. Do it step by step. If you think of like, oh, I have so much to do, because when you're reading through your syllabus, you see the whole term, the whole module, and you'll be like, I have so much to catch on. Like, don't let that get to you. Just like read the first part and be like, okay, I have to clear this bit. After you're done studying, it really helps to look through flashcards, like revision websites, just to mug up things. So that's very helpful. And also in between studies, like read an article on anything else you're interested. Like for example, like I said, I'm interested in astronomy, astronauts. So I read through NASA's articles just to get my mind off things. The new rockets, all women space landing coming soon. It's all interesting stuff. Because when you're like looking in a computer for like an hour or two, it can get very stuffy and your eyes, looking at the screen is not the best thing. Well, I'm telling to look at other screens at the same time, so. But again, that's like you're not really focused, you're reading it for pleasure. So, that focus goes away, so it's a bit easy on your minds.